How to improve sexual health through diet. The human sex drive can go through different phases in a person's life and can vary greatly from one person to the next, both in men and in women. Around 50% of men and women experience decreased libido at some point during their lives. If you are experiencing a lowered sex drive, or you just want to increase your sexual health, try eating a diet that helps promote optimal sexual health. Method 1: Eating specific foods to promote sexual health. 1. Eat avocados. Avocados are a great all-around superfood because they are high in unsaturated fats and low in saturated fats. They are great for sexual health as well. Since they are heart, healthy foods, they keep blood circulating, which can help with arousal. Proper circulation and heart health helps men and women receive blood flow to their genitals. Avocados contain potassium and B6, which promotes blood flow and delays heart disease. Men with heart disease are more prone to erectile dysfunction than men with healthy hearts. 2. Incorporate more almonds. Almonds are related to increased cardiovascular health, which helps keep blood vessels healthy. Promoting cardiovascular health helps reduce the risk of obesity, which can lead to decreased libido and poor sexual health. Healthy blood vessels also help men and women get aroused and achieve orgasm. Almonds contain zinc, selenium, and vitamin E. Zinc is associated with the production of sex hormones in men and can boost libido. Selenium is known to help in infertility in women. Vitamin E is involved in improving the heart and cell walls and hence improves blood flow, which is good for the sex organs. Almonds are also believed to promote passion and act as an aphrodisiac. Almonds are also believed to help with fertility in women and lower the chances of men getting erectile dysfunction. 3. Add onions and garlic. While the smell of onions and garlic may not be sexy, the nutritional benefits can help with your sexual health. Onions can help strengthen reproductive organs for both sexes. Garlic is believed to help increase sexual stamina, while onions are supposed to increase the libido. Onion is a great source of minerals. It contains the mineral chromium, which helps in regulating blood sugar. Onion also helps in producing good cholesterol. They both increase testosterone in men. 4. Eat more fish. Fish contains high amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are good fats, which are essential for circulation health. Promoting healthy circulation health in your body helps improve your sexual health since it helps blood flow easier to the penis, clitoris, and vulva. Omega-3 fatty acids are also essential for the health of mucous membranes, such as those of the vagina. Omega-3 fatty acids DHA and EPA can elevate dopamine levels in the brain, resulting in triggering arousal. Eat mackerel, tuna, salmon, and wild salmon. These foods have high concentrations of omega-3s. 5. Eat carrots. Carrots are not only good for eye health. Carrots can increase your sexual health because they help increase your libido. Carrots also contain a large amount of vitamin A, which helps produce sex hormones. According to a recent study, yellow and orange fruits and veggies, especially carrots, can boost sperm quality and quantity. Carrots were found to improve sperm quality by 6.5 to 8.0%. 6. Incorporate more leafy greens. Leafy greens are important for sexual health. They include folic acid, which can help promote healthy sperm production and healthy development of fetuses. They also help with circulation by cleaning the blood, which helps promote arousal. B. Vitamins also help increase the libido and sexual drive. Eat kale, mustard greens, arugula, and spinach. Or try any other kind of green or lettuce. Eat them once a day. 7. Eat black raspberries. Black raspberries act as an aphrodisiac as they are rich in phytochemicals, which stimulate the brain and enhance libido. They help boost the libido and help with sexual endurance. Try eating at least 10 black raspberries a couple of hours before you plan on having sex. 8. Incorporate more red produce. Red produce has been found to promote sexual health. Tomatoes have been found to help men produce less abnormal sperm due to the lycopene found in them. Strawberries are another red fruit that can help with sexual health. Not only is red a sexually stimulating color, but the fruit has folic acid, which can help reduce birth defects and increase sperm count. Watermelon, a fruit with a pink, red center, contains L-citrulline. L-citrulline is an amino acid that can help make men's erections harder. Watermelon can also help increase blood flow, which helps with arousal for both men and women. 9. Try figs. Figs are believed to help with fertility. More importantly, they are believed to help boost pheromones, which can help you and your partner get in the mood. Try eating a few figs before you plan on getting intimate. 10. Add cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper and other spicy foods can help increase your sexual health. Spicy foods, like cayenne pepper, contain capsaicin. This helps promote circulation health, which gets blood flowing to the penis and clitoris. Method 2. Incorporating the right nutrients to promote sexual health. 1. Increase vitamin C. Vitamin C is believed to help increase libido and blood flow. Vitamin C is especially important for women because it can help promote female sexual stimulation and health. Vitamin C also helps maintain healthy sperm and the quality of sperm. Vitamin C can be found in citrus fruits, papaya, broccoli, strawberries, Brussels sprouts, kale, and bell peppers. 2. Increase vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for male and female sex hormone production. It helps female reproductive cycles and can help with male sexual health by promoting healthy sperm. Vitamin A can be found in carrots, sweet potatoes, broccoli, and oatmeal. 3. Check for an iron deficiency. Iron deficiencies in women might have negative effects on their sexual health. Low iron levels can lower the libido, lessen the chances of an orgasm, and reduce lubrication. You only need about 20 milligrams of iron a day. You can find iron in lean red meats, chicken, pork, leafy green vegetables, and beans. 4. Reduce saturated fats. Saturated fats can clog arteries in the genitals, which reduces blood flow and prevents arousal and orgasm. Saturated fats also raises bad cholesterol levels, which decreases your libido and overall sexual performance. Instead, replace saturated fats with good fats, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, such as those found in avocado and nuts. Stay away from fatty meats, like bacon, sausage, and fatty ground beef. If you want to eat meats, make sure they are lean cuts. When choosing bacon and sausage, buy nitrate-free and eat it in moderation. Reduce your dairy intake. Dairy also includes saturated fats. When eating cheese or milk, choose healthier, reduced fat options, like 2%. 5. Add zinc. Zinc helps reduce prolactin, which can suppress the libido. It also helps promote healthy levels of testosterone, which is important for men and women. Zinc also helps with sperm count in males. You can find zinc in red meat, shellfish, lamb, deer, and poultry. You can also find zinc in sesame seeds, raw pumpkin seeds, and green peas. 6. Add foods with vitamin B and magnesium. B vitamins, like folate and B6, can help support optimal hormone levels. B6 can help with female reproduction and fertility, while B12 helps stimulate male and female sex drives and aids in better orgasms. Folate helps lower the number of abnormal sperm. These nutrients are found in vegetables, especially leafy green vegetables, and beans and legumes. Method 3: Maintaining a healthy weight. 1. Reduce your weight. Eating an all-around healthy diet can help your libido. Obesity can lead to erectile dysfunction and lower testosterone in men and infertility in women. By following a healthy eating plan, you can safely lose weight. Obesity may also lead to anxiety, depression, and self-esteem issues, which could negatively affect sexual health. 2. Eat natural, unprocessed foods. Avoiding processed foods also helps eliminate additional sugars and salt that are added to foods and emphasizes foods with the highest nutritional density and quality. Eating unprocessed foods helps you eliminate most of the things from your diet that lead to obesity, while replacing them with healthy, natural foods, like fruits, vegetables, and lean meats. Keep your food as close to its original or natural form as possible. Eating natural helps you avoid synthetic pesticides, antibiotics, and hormones that can be found in non-organic or processed foods. These harmful additives can potentially affect your overall health and hormones. 3. Include complex carbohydrates. At least 80 to 90% of the total carbohydrates in your diet should be complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are recommended to lower the risk of type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and obesity. Refrain from eating simple carbs. Complex carbohydrates are found in whole, unprocessed foods such as whole grains, peas, lentils, beans, and vegetables. Simple carbohydrates are often found in processed foods. A good rule is to never eat white foods. This means no white bread, white pasta, or white rice. Also avoid candies, cookies, cakes, and other snack foods. This helps control weight gain because complex carbohydrates take longer to digest. This allows you to feel fuller longer, which generally means that you are likely to eat less. 4. Limit your sugar intake. You should reduce the amount of sugar in your diet. You can avoid any added sugars by sticking to unprocessed foods. Reading labels can help you figure out how much sugar is in a food. Simple carbs also include sugars added to foods like glucose, sucrose, fructose, and high fructose corn syrup. Processed foods include both simple carbohydrates and added sugars, which can increase the risk of various disorders including weight gain. 5. Increase all fruits and vegetables. Eating more fruits and vegetables can help you maintain a healthy weight. Increase your daily fruit and vegetable intake. These foods provide your body with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals needed for optimal sexual health. Use as many organic fruits and vegetables as you can. Choose organic when possible since pesticide use is associated with decreased sexual health. 6. Eat more fiber. Increase the fiber in your diet. Beans, legumes, and vegetables provide great sources of fiber, but these foods also provide vitamins and minerals, including the important B vitamins, to boost your sexual health. Fiber helps keep you fuller longer, which can help you refrain from overeating. 7. Eat healthy sources of meats. When you eat meat, eat lean sources. Increase the amounts of skinless poultry you eat. Limit your red meat intake. The poultry you buy should be hormone and antibiotic-free and free-range. When you do eat red meat, make sure to eat grass-fed and antibiotic and hormone-free beef and buffalo. Don't eat the skin on the poultry. The skin can be high in animal fat as well as any added hormones and antibiotics. Tips. If you are experiencing a persistent decreased interest in sexual activity that lasts longer than a few weeks, are experiencing any pain or discomfort during sex, are having difficulty in getting or maintaining an erection, or having any difficulty getting to orgasm, you should call your physician to discuss the problem. Citrulline that is found in watermelon boosts nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels. This effect is the same as that of Viagra.